Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and it's the beginning of the month, which means it's unboxing time. So for this video, I'm unboxing my March kit from the Wild Hare Kits. And this month I did request a deluxe kit. The last couple months I got a petite kit and I've kind of worked through some of that product, and there's a lot of new product that got released for the spring, and so of course I had to request some of that, especially Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection. That was specifically what I wanted to get my hands on, and I love ordering or requesting things like that from my Wild Hare Kits, and then I can go and specifically order any of the items from that line that maybe I had my eye on and didn't get, and can kind of add into these kits. So it's kind of nice to build upon these kits as well. So for my style profile, each month is pretty much the same as far as like colors I like and product that I like and things like that. And then at the bottom of the style request, and if you've never filled that out before, go check it out. But at the bottom, I just put in like if I have anything specific during the month that I'm gonna be documenting. And so for the month of March, my other stepsister is getting married. So that's the last of us four sisters. She's getting married. And so I'm sure I'll be documenting family photos from that event and things like that. We're gonna have spring break, so lots of like fun things, traveling, all kinds of goodness. So I definitely wanted a deluxe kit because I knew I was gonna be doing quite a bit in March. So I specifically asked for items from the Sunny Days collection. I mentioned alphas, ephemera, and stencils, and so Wild Hare was super awesome and included a little bit of all of those. They also said that they sent some romantic prints to mix in with the Sunny Days for documenting those wedding photos and all that goodness. So I always love seeing how the team coordinates products from different lines and different companies with things that you specifically request. So I wouldn't always know what's going to match the Sunny Days collection, and they are awesome at that. So these are hand curated kits, so each one's going to be a little bit different. You can't really specifically request the kit that I have. You can go in and fill out a style profile and request, you know, the Sunny Days or some of the same things that I have, and if they have in stock, they will put together the kit, but each kit's going to be a little bit different, which I think is awesome and fun, and it's exciting. I love surprises. My husband hates surprises, so if you're like that, maybe it's not for you, but I love it. So enough chit chat, let's dive in. Little note from Allison, happy wedding crafting. So you guys, I'm so excited. Lots of Sunny Days. Let's start with these because these are fun and different, and I already have like so many ideas for how I want to use these. So these are little charms from the Crepe Paper Sunny Days collection, and these would be fun to create little charms for your traveler's notebook, maybe to attach to a paper clip for the top of a Bible entry or hanging on a layout. There are so many different ways you could use these. You can make earrings, you can make a bracelet charm. I am all about Maggie Holmes, so you know I would rock that like jewelry. So these are so adorable with her florals. One thing I saw in the spring collection is a lot of the spring collections from a couple different designers have like citrus and fruits and that kind of vibe going on, and so you've got that charm there. So I am so excited about these. I know these are really different for me, and they are, you know, kind of chunky, but I'm excited. Those will be fun to play with. Let's see, there's the 40-piece ephemera set from the Sunny Days collection. It includes 7 acetate pieces. I know you guys will be excited about that. I get a lot of questions about how to use acetate pieces and how to attach them and incorporate them and what to do with them, and so maybe we'll be using some of those this month. I'm not going to pull them all out so that you can see, but look at the little watermelon on a popsicle stick. There's some tags. I mean, if you guys know, I love Maggie Holmes, everything Maggie Holmes. The nice thing about Maggie Holmes is a lot of their collections have colors that match throughout the collections. So if you have any of the past Maggie Holmes collections, you can sometimes find them from Tuesday mornings. You can mix and match and pull those in together, which I will for sure be doing. So tons of ephemera pieces. These are so, so pretty. So embossed die cut sheet from the Sunny Days. Now, I kind of think you're meant to cut these apart. I'm going to have to see if I can find any information about these because I can't really, I'm assuming that you cut these apart because they're not perforated, but I don't think it's meant to be one piece because it's got these straight lines. So I think you're supposed to cut them apart, and it's this gold foiled embossed die cut pieces. So these will be really fun layering up alongside the regular ephemera pieces just to add a little bit of glitz and shine to the gold. And the gold is pretty much the consistent color of gold throughout Maggie Holmes collections, other than there's one that's more of like a silvery gold, but again, you could mix and match with past collections. So I'm excited about that. Okay, more sunny days, because we're all about that. Stencils. So I love using stencils. I don't have very many. I make a lot of my own stencils with my Silhouette machine. And so when I saw that the Sunny Days collection had these, I was super excited. So it comes with 2 different stencils. You've got some border pieces and then some square pieces, but these would be fun, like mixed media techniques on layouts and in my Bible journaling. So I'm excited to use these, and I just love just how feminine the Maggie Holmes collections are. So it'll be nice to explore and play with those. Here is some Freckled Fawn washi tape, gold with hearts. I don't have this, or not gold, it's like copper. I don't have this one, but I have several other coppers, and this actually would pair really well with some of the, I think these are crepe paper washi tapes, and you can see it really would match well with those crepe paper washi tapes. I think these are from the Here and There collection, so it'll coordinate well with some of the colors I already have. I love that kind of coppery rose gold. It'll be kind of fun to play with different metallic finishes. Okay, this set here, this looks like Chanel maybe? I'm so not good at knowing who the designers are, guys. This is either Amy Tangerine or Chanel. Maybe it's Amy Tangerine. I can't remember which one. This is one of the new collections. Sorry, guys. Actually, I have my little paper, and it'll say on my paper. Let's see here. These are Amy Tangerine. So there we go. Amy Tangerine, the Roll With It thickers, and they are like a squishy thicker and really, really fun. And you can see the colors coordinate well with the colors in the Sunny Days collection. And I saw this collection at some of the CHA videos that I watched, Creativation, and the little hedgehog is so stinking adorable. Allison, if you're watching, next month I may need more of this collection because it's super cute. So really fun florals. Like I said, we're seeing these like fruits and citruses. You've got those like oranges or peaches or whatever those are meant to be, will go along with the citrus that is in this collection. So we saw a lot of that in the spring collections. Avocado, because hello millennials, we're all about the avocados. Or if you live in California like I do, all about the avocado. Love these big bold pieces like this. Dreaming, Lazy Days, so really fun. This will be able to go into summer as well if I don't use them all up in the next couple months, so that's great. Love that. So much product in a deluxe kit, it's crazy. So here are the Sunlight thickers, and this should tell me what collection these are from. So these are from the Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection. You'd think I would know that since I was obsessed with it, but thickers are hard because they don't always say which collection they're from. So these are from Sunny Days, and it is a gold, but it's like a champagne gold. Really, really pretty. You've got uppercase and lowercase. I'm all about the alpha thicker life, so these are going to be awesome to play with. And then let's dive into the papers. I don't think I saw the cut file. Maybe it'll be stuck inside of here. So here are the 12 by 12 papers. So you've got Saturday from Sunny Days with the blues and greens and pinks. We're seeing tons of this Kelly green. I just got Felicity Jane. The March Felicity Jane kit has this pink and Kelly green. So that must be kind of the color of the moment. And then the B side is this blue on blue heart pattern. Another Sunny Days, this is Coral. So you've got that pink, and then this paper, how pretty is that? I don't do 12 by 12, but I usually try to figure out a way to cut this apart so I can use the frames like that because it's really pretty. This is Everyday Musings. I've never really had any Pink Fresh Studios Everyday Musings. This is full of joy, so all of these little teacups, super cute, and it has that pop of like limey yellow that is here, and there's some of it in here too, so you can see how those colors, you know, go throughout different collections. And then the B side is this fun geometric pattern on this side. This is a Simple Stories I Am paper. I actually have the full pad of this, but it might be fun to, like, I don't know, fussy cut out the little pieces or something. It would be fun to just kind of play with. Of course, the B side, I'm all about like ledger and notebook, so I'll probably actually use this side. So that is super cute. Here is Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, and this is the Charm paper. Maggie Holmes always has such beautiful florals. I love this kind of like lavender, because it's not quite pink, not quite purple, it's like a lavender color. And then the back side here, just tons of phrases: adventure, happy little moments, not all who wander are lost, so that's great there. You could even fussy cut these out and use them as titles. Here's another Pink Fresh Studio paper. And they are usually pretty good about laying the papers face up in the way that they have matched them to your kits. So of course you can always use either side, but typically it's face up in the color that they pick to go with the kits. So this is the B side of Everyday Musings. So you've got this blue on blue, almost kind of looks like a wood grain or something like that, with these little like leaves or hearts. Really cute. And then here is the back side, and that even seems a little Maggie Holmes style a little bit, but this is Pink Fresh Studio. So there's that. And then the specialty cardstock from Sunny Days. So this is the gold foil cardstock. Super, super pretty. And then even look, even the back side has a pattern, which I don't see that very often. Usually it's just one-sided for the specialties, so that's awesome. So I didn't see the cut file, but you do typically get a cut file for the month when you order the deluxe kit, and then if you order the petite kit, you don't get it cut out for you. You just get a code to access all of the cut files. So even if it's the first time you've ordered, you still get access to every cut file they've ever had, which is amazing. I have a video talking about how I use the cut files. I'll link that down below. And I will try to have a picture or something somewhere of the cut file. Maybe I'll insert it here so you can see what the cut file is this month. And if you get a petite kit, you can always request to have the cut file cut out for you if you don't have, you know, a Cricut or a Silhouette or a Brother Scan and Cut, one of those cutting machines. So I will have a link down below to the Wild Hare kits so you can request your own personalized kit. It's not a monthly subscription or anything like that. You can just pop in anytime and request a kit and give them some, you know, ideas of what you like, what you don't like, projects you have coming up, and then they will hand curate a kit for you, which is awesome. So check out those links down below. Leave me any questions or comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.